Assalamu alaikum, have a good time.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go.
They would have said that no one would have seen you. Where would they have come? They had a town near the Polish border. They told me that they had gone there. There I saw that no one had found a mosque, no Muslim. So I saw a woman. She was sitting at the shop of the shop, selling groceries. There was a small shop. She works there. So she was asking for prayers, and the tasbih was with her. So I asked her what she was asking. What do you read? She said I read Lillah. I said Lillah means I do not know. I said I am not a Muslim. I said then why do you read? So I saw Babdadawa. When there is a problem, if there is anything, if you want to pray, then pray like this. So I realized that if a good person goes there, goes to Lithuania, then the whole country, you can take over the whole country. I also requested, now I will ask the Qadiyar. Do not ask that there is no embassy in Lithuania, so you should not make an ambassador, make a cultural attaché, make anything, send me to the country. In 10 years I will take over the country. Then they will not listen to me. So it is a very interesting country. The jobs there are very much, the safest countries in the world. There is a problem. In the top 20, the public internet in the world comes on the second number. You get the second number of the public internet. You get it everywhere. Some 85% population speaks English. You do it from other countries, you get a burden on 1.5 hours. You have 3 hours, Paris and Rome. You do it on 2.5 hours. So it is very good. You get Poland on the south side. You get Norway on the north side. Russia is connected, Belarus is connected, Latvia is connected, Lithuania is Estonia. So it is a very decent country. Now what has Lithuania done? Lithuania is number 1 in laser technology. When I studied at Fulbright, my friend worked in EPA in the protection agency, Vildas Adam Nanthan. So Vildas Adam Nanthan became Lithuania's president. He was a US citizen and became my friend. If you are a country's president, your friend is very nice. You get very easy. Then I worked there and got a lot of opportunities to travel there. I always say my third after Sri Lanka. I am in Pakistan first, Sri Lanka second, Lithuania third. The US number goes to number 67. So now he has a new initiative. He has less people and he is moving ahead in software technology. He is getting a lot of work. When Ukraine was established, there were so many software development companies in Ukraine. Ukraine was doing very good in software development, especially in Salesforce, AWS, GCP, DevOps. Ukraine was doing a lot of work. All those things were closed and all those things were done by Lithuania. So he has an initiative called Work in Lithuania. I am sharing it on his website. You can go here. There are a lot of jobs available. There are still some Pwn Dosa jobs available. There are Python developers. So we are very incentivizing people to come and get married. And more children are born. This is our great expertise in Pakistan. So if you want to increase your family, if you want to get married, you can go there. But you must go for work. So I am sharing his website here. If you like this series, his dad is not related to my field, but if you like it, then you can easily make a 23rd country. What are the jobs in Tirana? What is happening in Skopje? What is happening in Sofia? What is happening in Belgrade? What is happening in Romania? Because I have visited there many times, worked there, also had a lot of companies. So this country has a very good idea. What can you do? Bharat, now enjoy working with Lithuania. I hope you will like it. While going, you can get a copy of Quran Sharif. If you want to get a copy of it, you can go to the bookstore. So it was £25, 25 euros. I said 25 euros is very expensive. It is cheaper than the other two, 3 euros. So I thought I would have kept 2 euros at the beginning. Then when the demand increased, you started doing 25 euros. Someone wrote a translation in Lithuanian. So you will get that too. So you can work for the day, you can work for the world, you can get married, you can increase your family, and you can do other jobs. So you should apply. And if you reach there, then you should contact me. I will give you 2 or 4 people, I will give you the introduction. And I also found out that this video is of some use. If you want to see more videos like this, then do tell me in the comments. So this is very easy for me. I don't have to prepare anything. I just have to sit in front of the camera and start talking. And I can share the experiences again. Pray for me. I am your immigration consultant.
Subscribe us.